How to use Cricut transfer tape. Step 1. Cut out your design. Step 2. Weed out the excess vinyl from the design. Step 3. Place a transfer tape over the vinyl text sticker, then scrape it. Step 4. Peel off the backing sheet from the design. Step 5. Place the transfer tape with the text design over the green bubble design. Step 6. Scrape the design with the scraper tool. Step 7. Wipe the top area of the glass. Step 8. Gently transfer the design over the glasses. Step 9. Remove the transfer tape. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.